To set corner action for top right to decrease the media volume level in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right and then tap the gray on offset next to media volume down to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, to see the result, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done, now you can easily decrease the media volume level by hovering and sloping your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.